Hi. One of the things most annoying in Citroen cars, in this case, is a C5 Aircross. So it's when we start a car, the Android Auto does not automatically start. You need to go to the menu and auto start it manually, and sometimes it never starts at the first attempt. So I found out a way of auto start Android Auto. And it needs a box, so a wireless box here that I will show you in a moment what box I'm talking about. And the phone is here by my side, so it's not connected to the car in any way, and nevertheless it will start automatically Android Auto without touching anything on the dashboard of the car. So I will show you how I did it. Okay, my phone is here. When I start the car here, I don't need to do anything on my dashboard because the Android Auto will start automatically. Let's see how it works. So I will start it. So the car is start ignition. The radio boots on with music. Okay, put a little bit volume off. So as you can see, it starts on the radio. So it's not immediately, it takes some seconds to fully boot. Okay, you see the box is starting up. The phone's still here. Okay, it boots. And then automatically the speed play will also start without touching the radio. And now the Bluetooth will connect the Android Auto. It works pretty well. So, and I'm driving the car, I never touch the dashboard, everything is automatic. So this box, the high-in car, it's sold specifically for Citroen. When I received the box, I didn't see any special mark on the box saying it's Citroen or something like that. So I believe the box is the same for all the cars. But I'm not sure. The secret for auto start speed play, because you have to touch this in order to start Android Auto as well. So, but I installed the third-party software called Macrodroid here, and I did a macro. Well, there is a macro to auto start Android Speed Auto with launch application, but this box doesn't have one permission that allows to auto start the Speed Auto. So I overcome this by doing a macro with the UI. It's this one with delay. I just set one delay of 2 seconds just to work better because it failed once, so I don't know why, but now I wait 2 seconds. So, and the macro is pretty simple. I can show you here. So, once the device boots, it waits 2 seconds, and it simulates the UI interaction, clicking in this screen in the X 20% and the Y 85%. I will do a new macro to show you how I did this. So I bought this application. It's about €5, so it's not too expensive, and it works very well. This application, I find it to be very useful, not only for this car, but also for my phone. I discover a lot of macros I can do it with it. So let me show you how I did this macro. So first you have to press Add Macro. The trigger, you press plus here, and the trigger is device events, and you have it here, device boot. Okay, so the trigger is device boot. The actions, if you want to do it like I did, so I don't know where it is, but I just press here wait and search it. So wait before next action is this one. So I will wait 2 seconds. This use alarm is if you want to use precise or accurate timer. But okay, I left it enabled. Okay, wait 2 seconds. Now you press again, add again, and you will go to the device actions, and on device action you have UI interaction. So you want action to be a click. So go to the click, and you want to go to the XY location. So you just press OK. Now it's important to select percentage, and now the X I know because I tested several times, so it will be 20. Next it will be 85 in Y. Okay, you see 20 as X and Y 25. You press OK. Don't wait result is this option. I just select it like that. Okay, so that's it. Now you need to enter a macro name. Android Auto, and that's it, just done. And you go back and we'll ask you to save. Oh, sorry, I have already this macro, so let's call it number 2. Okay, done. And when you go back, it will save it here. So save it. And you can access all the macros you have and enable and disable it. You see the one we just did, it's here. So you can enable and disable this whenever you feel. And that's it. You go home, and you can always go home to your application here. Okay, in order to the Macrodroid to work with this function, with the UI autoplay, you need to give Macrodroid permissions to do the following. So you will go to the settings here and application info, and you will select your app here, Macrodroid. So you need to give here modify system settings allowed, to give permission for the modify the system settings. And also for the UI to work, you need also this. You just select UI. Okay, UI. Okay, it's here. So you need to Macrodroid UI interaction. You need to press here, and you will see Macrodroid UI interaction in an accessibility menu, where you have to select it on here. I also put this one here, but I think you just need this one here to work correctly. This is my box here, how I have installed here with a tape. So it's connected with a small cable, USB cable. It has a SD card on it to have offline music ready. And this box is very good, it's fast, and also allow you to watch YouTube and Netflix and other things. It's a normal Android box that you can install a lot of apps as well. So I test this one with the Citroen. So I bought the Citroen one, but I believe the Peugeot one, it's the same. So I'm not sure, but I'm almost certain that it's the same behavior. So you can do the same as I did here for the Citroen. And I will post the links below in the comments. So the one I bought is for the Citroen, and the other one is for the Peugeot. And works fine. I'm very happy with it. Another good feature of this box, it's you can navigate through the buttons here on the Citroen, like radio, ventilation, and if you want to go back to the Android Auto in the OEM radio, you need to press this button and go select again Android Auto, and it's a mess. But with this box, you have this button here, the phone button. You just select and it opens Android Auto immediately. So it's very useful, and I like it.